The small step that changed everything. Ravi was a young man living in a small town. Every morning, he woke up early and went to work at a local shop. His life was simple, but deep inside, Ravi felt unhappy. He dreamed of a better future, but he did not know how to change his life. Ravi noticed one big problem: he could not speak English well. Many good jobs needed English. When he watched interviews on TV or read job ads, he felt scared. English is too hard, he often said to himself. Because of fear, he never tried. One evening, Ravi met his old school friend Aman. Aman was confident and spoke English clearly. Ravi asked, "How did you learn English?" Aman smiled and said, "I started with small steps. Just one story a day." That night, Ravi thought about Aman's words. He decided to try. The next morning, instead of using his phone for social media, Ravi read a short English story. He did not understand every word, but he did not stop. He guessed meanings and continued reading. Every day, Ravi read one story. He also listened to English videos while traveling to work. Sometimes he repeated sentences aloud. At first, he felt shy and made many mistakes. But slowly, his confidence grew. After 1 month, Ravi noticed a change. He could understand simple English conversations. After 3 months, he started speaking small sentences. He felt proud of himself. One day, a customer from another city came to the shop. Ravi helped him and spoke in English. It was not perfect, but the customer understood. Ravi's boss noticed this and smiled. A few weeks later, Ravi's boss offered him a better position with more salary. Ravi could not believe it. All this happened because he did not give up. Ravi learned an important lesson: big success starts with small steps. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Now, Ravi reads English every day. He knows his journey is not finished, but he is no longer afraid. He understands that learning English is not about talent, it is about practice.